everybody, we are going to make Play-Doh, and all we need is flour, salt, oil, water, and food coloring. You can use any food coloring, but we're using red.
Okay.
So first we put some flour here, then we put some salt.
Maybe you can take all of it.
Yes.
Okay.
And next we're going to put some oil. And we're going to mix.
Okay.
Put even more. Let's keep mixing now.
So it will be a non-toxic Play-Doh?
I think so.
Yeah, it will be non-toxic. Because it has all the ingredients safe.
Yes.
All the safe ingredients it has. So it will be a non-toxic Play-Doh.
Yes, it will.
अब फूड कलर भी तो ऐड करना है इसमें, ठीक है? You can add some food color now. Should I open it for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's keep mixing.
So now you have put the food color also, right?
Yeah. So now it's getting reddish yellow.
Some more oil.
Yeah.
Is it ready now?
Almost. We're just gonna put a little bit pieces.
More mixing needed?
Yes, a little bit more. It might take hours.
Hours? Really? I don't think so.
Almost.
Just few minutes.
Maybe half an hour. So it's just need a few more mixing. Guys, did you know that this is a non-toxic Play-Doh? Even small 1 year's children can play with it.
Really?
It's not harmful.
Is it ready?
Yes, it is ready.
Can you make anything out of it?
Okay, let's see.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
Wow, it's so soft.
Yes. And you don't have to wash your hands after you play with this Play-Doh, because this is not that harmful.
Oh. So there are no chemicals in it, right?
Yeah.
All the natural ingredients that we use for eating?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's okay if you eat just a bit. It will be
It's
okay.
not for eating.
But if you accidentally ate some of it, but it's okay if you ate not so much of it.
Oh, I see. Okay. But I will not suggest eating it.
can make a carrot out of it.
Okay.
So if you mix yellow and red, it will make the color orange, and it's pretty hard to make shapes if you don't have molds.
What have you made?
A carrot.
It's nice. I want to eat it.
It's not for eating. And this is the safest Play-Doh in the whole universe.
Wow. Okay. Can I see your carrot?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so nice.
So everybody, if you liked my video, please give it a like and a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Play-Doh.